Let's see how to set up a Tapo C520WS. I have the camera working here on my desk, okay? And I'm going to set up here before installing it. So you just need to have the camera in your phone with the Tapo app, and then you can start the setup process. I have the camera already connected here to the power adapter. There is also a way to connect the camera to your router using this connector here and an Ethernet cable. I'm not gonna use that way. I'm gonna use the camera with wireless. You see the camera has some antennas here and the camera is ready to go. It's flashing red and green. That's the state that the camera is ready for the setup. It comes like this out of the box. If for some reason your camera is not like this, it's just like with a steady red LED or steady green LED, you just need to reset it. So you just need to move the lens up, and then here you're gonna find this rubber flap. Then you can just open, and here you're gonna find a reset button, okay? There we go. See here, there's a reset button just right there. Then you just need to use a paper clip and press and hold this for 10 seconds. Then the camera is gonna talk to you and it's gonna say that's being reset, right? And also you will observe the LED here flashing red pretty fast when it's resetting. So that's what I have to do. Mine is ready to go. I don't need to reset it right now. So I'll just close here for a while. Just move the lens back here and I can start the process. All right, then you just need to come here to your app store and look for this Tapo and TP-Link Tapo. That's the app. Just install it and you can create an account with your email and password, and then you log in and you can have a big button here that allows you to add a new camera. I don't have the big button here because I have other devices, so I have a small button here on the top with the plus signal. Then I can just add a new device, okay? So this is an outdoor camera, so I just select here outdoor and I look for the model. This is the Tapo C520WS, so I just come down and look for it. Where is it? It's not here. There we go, it's here. Now it's time to check the correct version of the camera. You see that's possible to have the camera with version 1.x or version 2.x. Just need to check the serial number of the camera. It's back here. Just need to move this up one more time. And here you see the serial number. Let me just move this that way. And here you can see the serial number. Let me just approach here. Get some focus. There we go. Version 2.6. That's the one, okay? So I just need to have this information. Then I come back here. And I'm good to go with the 2.x. Just hit here and I select wireless. That's the way I'm going to connect my camera. Hit next. It's flashing here red and green, so I'm good to go. Now the camera is going to connect to the cell phone via Bluetooth, so just make sure that you have Bluetooth enabled on your cell phone. And now the camera can tell to the cell phone, can tell the camera which Wi-Fi to connect to, right? Here you see my Wi-Fi -24, that's the one. And I have here to enter the password. Hit next, confirm.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
Okay, I hear the message, Wi-Fi connected. Then I just take a look here at the LED. It's going to change to green when the camera is connected to my router, okay? So I just need to wait. And then I can name my camera and I can continue with the process to set up the cloud recording. There we go. Here I have the name of the camera. I can select here office, select an icon for the camera, wait for it to connect, and it's complete, okay? It sounds good. Now here I can have this trial, 30-day trial, so I can have the camera recording into the cloud. It's a good idea because I can't have an SD card here in the camera. The camera can record every single thing in the card. But if somebody takes the camera away, you're gonna lose all the recordings, right? So it's a good idea to have the 30-day trial here, and after 30 days you can keep paying the monthly fee if you want to. If you don't, you just dismiss this, hit here, got it, and then you can insert an SD card, okay? I have an SD card here. This is a good one from Lexar. There we go. It's a 32 gigabytes SD card. See here more information about the speed of the card, so you just need to get a good one. And here you see that you need to use a class 10 microSD card. And here's the capacity, 8 gigabytes to 512, okay? So just insert the SD card here, just need to move this up one more time and open here this flap, and here you're gonna find the slot to insert the card. I'm gonna insert that way, this way facing up, just like so, and then use my fingernails to push it. Then I hear a click, I close this flap again, and
The SD card is not formatted. Please format it according to the app guidelines.
so as you can hear, the camera talks to you about the SD card. I need to format it, right? So just put back there. You can see some motion out there. Oh, there's a bright sun out there. Okay, then I hit here, got it. Here is some information about the firmware update. The camera is going to update the firmware between 3 a.m. and 5 p.m. So just hit got it, and it's done. I can see the camera just right here. And remember that you need to format the SD card, and also the camera has the image upside down because I'm supposed to install the camera. It comes with a bracket for installation and everything else, but during the setup I can do here on my desk, and I can invert the image if I want to later. Sometimes it pops up a message here to format the SD card. This time I didn't get this message, so I just come here to the gear, and here you see in this menu the storage and recordings. And from here you can just format your SD card. I just tap here, format SD card, and confirm. Wait for it to finish. Depending on the size of your card, it's gonna take a longer time. You see here, format successfully. And the card is good, and also it's working with the loop recording. It's enabled here. Basically, the loop recording is going to cycle the recordings. So the camera is going to delete the old videos and record the new ones. And we are good to go. The camera comes already ready to record. You see it's enabled here. It's enabled to record sound as well. And the recording schedule, it's enabled also to record with motion detection, okay? So it's recording every single day of the week, every single hour by motion detection. And you can just come back here and confirm that you have the detection enabled. It comes like this. It's set for the entire area, and you see that's going to detect motion, person, pet, and vehicle, line crossing, and camera tampering, which is when somebody blocks the camera can detect and record accordingly, and also trigger the alarm if you're using alarms, right? Here on motion detection, just check the sensitivity, if it's good for you, from 1 to 10, being 1 less sensitive and 10 more sensitive, right? I will leave like 6, that's the way it came. And you can do the same with person detection or anything that you want to enable here. And the camera is going to be recording already. So it comes like this out of the box. But it's important also to come here to the video, let me just come back here to the video display. And from here I can just invert the image because I have the camera upside down right now. Later when I install the camera, I can just invert it again. You see now that's correct. And from here I can control the pan and tilt. Okay, I reached the limit here. So I can also control in the horizontal and move the camera. You see the camera's detection motion already. So if I come here to the main screen again, I can see the playback and download. So the camera has some recordings already there. You see when it was upside down, has some recordings here. And later I'm gonna have more recordings, right? The camera just got the card and I format it, and it starts recording right now. And from here, I see the SD card recordings, and I can also check the cloud if I enable the cloud recording, of course. Then you can just explore everything here on the camera. I have another video here showing more details about everything, but basically the camera can detect motion. You can also do screenshots, local recordings here on the cell phone as well. You can talk to somebody close to the camera using the microphone that's there on the camera and the speaker as well. You can control the pan and tilt, control alarms, control the privacy mode so you can block the camera view, and turn on the light in front of the camera. There is a spotlight there. Tag on and off so you can see the motion here, and basically do the playback and check here the user menu with everything that's available. Okay, so you can just explore here and change accordingly. So I hope that helps. That's the way you can set up a Tapo C520WS. Leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.